Hey there, kids. Let's take a look at this problem. It says this. It says round to the underlined digit. Okay? So in this case right here, I don't know why this thing says this. Why does it say that? Save. There it goes. It says this. It says, can you read this number? Go ahead, read this number over here. It says 862,840, and they want you to round it to the nearest 10,000 because that's that digit that's underlined right there. Now, I'm not going to show you how to do this one, but I am going to show you how to do one just like it over here. Okay? Can you read this number right here? Go ahead. Right. It's 973,776. Now, in this case right here, the underlying digit is in the hundreds place. Okay? So let's take a look at this. If we were to round to the nearest hundreds place, we have two choices. Okay, we can either round down or we can round up. If we round down, this is going to stay a 7. Okay, but if we round up, this digit right here can become an 8. So those are our two choices. This underlying digit can either stay the same or it can go up by 1. Okay, everything to the right of that is going to become a 0. So this becomes a 0 and a 0. And same thing down here. Everything to the right becomes zeros. Okay, and everything to the left stays the same. So this 3 stays the same. The 7 stays the same. The 9 stays the same. Okay, and then we put in our commas right there and there. Now, what they're really saying is if you run a number line right here, like going like this, like a number line, okay, is over here, if we were to round down, we'd have the lower number, which would be 973,700. And over here, we'd have the higher number, 973,800. Okay, and this one right here, this number in the center, this one right here is in between those two. So maybe it would be like right here, right? Okay, now how we determine if we should round down or we should round up. Now, these are our only two choices. We can either round to this number or we can round to this number. That's it, okay? We look to the right of the underlying digit and there's a 7 right there. Now, you may remember that if it's 5 or more, we want to round up. If it's less than 5, we want to round down. So is 7 more or less than 5? Right, it's more. So we're going to want to round up. Okay, it's going to be closer. We can see it on the number line right here that this dot is going to be closer to this number over here than it was to this one over here. Okay, so there you go. It's rounding. What you do is you look at the underlying digit. It can either stay the same or it can go up by 1. Everything to the right becomes zeros. Everything to the left becomes stays the same. And then you look to the right and you see if this digit is more or less than 5. If it's 5 or more, you round up. If it's less than 5, you round down. Okay, so this was the correct answer right here. This case right here, it rounds to 973,800. Okay, now I'm not going to do this one over here for you, but you can do it. If you need help, come and see us. We'll help you. Talk to you later. Bye bye.